Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogtober day 8 and I have just about had it with my daughter's room. So we're going to do a quick cleanup in this room as far as putting some things away, putting clothes away, and just, like I said, cleaning up. So for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. For those of you who are an old subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can see, I am just like over the top, ready to clean. So on the back of her door, I have bows and bowerettes. I have the balls, and then I also have like the little clip bows. So it's time to definitely wash her sheets, which I do about every other week. Because of how hard it is to get the sheet off the bed. So she is just turned 6 and she is a wild sleeper. So in order to create her from being on the floor, we bought the bed rail. Underneath of her bed, there is a pull-out bed, but we don't have a mattress on it because nobody comes over and stays the night. So we just really basically use it for the drawers. So what I do is organize her drawers by like short sleeve shirts. And then I also organize it with the pants. If it has more than one, you know, like if it has a shirt that goes with the pants that are short sleeve and a long sleeve, I just put the short sleeve on the right side, and then I put all of the pants in one. Shorts don't go in here. I want her to be able to find long sleeve clothes as it's getting colder in the house at night and in the morning. So I change it out every season, but right now I'm just doing a quick clean of pajamas so that she can find the matching pair if she would like to.
Comment down below what your organization pattern is if you have kids who clothes you have to organize or put away.
And here it is. They are organized by long sleeve. If they're short sleeve, on the left is when, on the left is where there are dresses, nightgown dresses. As you can see, the closet is full of stuff, full of clothes. I'm just trying to fold up blankets and put those away. So she has all of these like toys on the floor, and I just tried to separate them like by Barbie stuff, which is in this container in the front, and then on the floor it's toys other than like Barbie that I decided to put into a different container that could stay out in the living room in order for her to play with when she's out there. One thing about my child is that like she can go through clothes like it's nothing, to the point where I'm hanging up at least like 15 to 20 shirts a week, even though she only wears like 5 or 6, 7 shirts throughout the week, it seems like, because all we do is go to school, go to sleep, and when she goes to sleep, she doesn't wear a regular t-shirt. She wears the pajamas sets itself. So I'm always having to hang clothes up. I'm always having to put shoes away. This child can never come in the room and clearly just put her shoes away. In order to keep that up, I just wanted to put the tent in front of it. Just got all these new cool backpacks at Kroger for like $7 each. So I wanted to go ahead and put those away. So my method of putting clothes away, if I can't get to put them away that same day, is to put them in this blue container, and then it just is already folded so I can put it away. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick cleanup video in my daughter's room, and I hope that you guys will give this video a huge thumbs up, and I hope that you guys, if you haven't already, will subscribe to the channel and join me for the next video. Happy Vlogtober Day 8!